Hi, good afternoon. How are you? My name is Alejandra. I am 20 years old. I introduce myself. I study the profession engineering telecommunication engineering. This moment I am work. My role specific is analysis support. I am work in the company City. This company is about the system technology and software and other device about the network. In my attitude is special. I like analyze and resolve problems. I like share ideas and knowledge. And finally, I like teamwork. This video is about the place famous in the city Bogota. This place is Maloka. Maloka is a corporation frame in allow 29 of science and technology. This place in architecture is a underground spirit and inside it has rooms interactive laboratories and other rooms about the mechanic, other things cultures about the country. This place contribute the conciliation in the society and economy based on learning in knowledge and innovation, which is a free, competitive, participative, creating innovation and sanity city, with the identity as self-esteem. This place is located in Avenue 68 with a 24A and 41. It's located in the neighborhood Salitre. It's near the Lisbon Center Salitre. This place is recommended for the families. The families go to live the world imagination, science, and various things about the technology. Thanks so much for listening my video. Thanks. See you later.